Good infrastructure lays the foundation for a functional city. Truly sustainable infrastructure makes for a great city. Grand Rapids has been leading the pack as they've invested in sustainable technologies to save both energy and money. From new traffic systems that make for a better commute and lower cost, to renewable energy sources that are reducing energy usage at city structures, Grand Rapids is making it green and saving some green. Hey everyone, my name is Adam Burrell and I'm here at the City Engineering Office. Today I'm going to be talking to Mark DeClercq, the head city engineer. We're going to be chatting about some of the ways that the city is saving energy in some of its structures.
In several of our public facilities, we've been able to perform lighting upgrades from existing light fixtures to newer style type light fixtures that enables us to save electricity costs. It's done fairly easy. We've gone from different type size of fluorescent bulbs to a smaller type bulb that uses less electricity, and at the same time we've been able to partner with consumers' energy, and in some cases we've been able to secure a rebate to help offset our costs.
Installing natural lighting and motion sensors in City Hall has also served to decrease its overall power use. All right, so I'm here at the Commerce and Weston parking garage, and what's cool about this place is that we can actually turn down the lights when there's nobody parked on a specific level. Now, there's other projects going on at the city that are also looking to implement this because it shows a lot of potential for savings.
As part of the City of Grand Rapids Sustainability Plan, the city is really focused on energy efficiency. It's part of our overall sustainable energy management strategy. We're looking at energy efficiency as a way to save money, cut cost, avoid cost, and ultimately be able to be a more sustainable organization. The City of Grand Rapids in the last 7 years was able to reduce its energy consumption by over 10%. Right now we are using around 100,000 megawatt hours annually in electricity only. But beyond electricity, we're looking at reducing our cost to steam use as well as the natural gas and ultimately in the fuel consumption as well.
Behind me you can see some of the lines, signs, and traffic barriers, all of which are the responsibility of the Traffic Safety Department. With more than 20,000 street lights, 32,000 street signs, and 600 traffic signals to maintain, this department is one of the key factors in the sustainable Grand Rapids.
With the city having 20,000 streetlights, we have an opportunity to save more and more energy. We continue to evaluate LED streetlights and other advanced lighting technologies to find ways to save energy for our street lighting system. Now, with our pole spacing and our mounting height for our streetlights, we have yet to find a unit that delivers the level of service that Grand Rapids is accustomed to. But we're working diligently with the manufacturers and the other big name lighting companies to find the right solution for Grand Rapids. And once we get to that point, we're going to vehemently pursue changing out our 20,000 streetlights to a much more cost-effective solution.
One of these possible solutions is the crossover technology that uses reflective sheeting, normally used on street signs, to save energy.
The reflective sheeting has properties called retroreflectivity. These properties are when light hits the sheeting, it reflects back to the source. And this is what gives you the night visibility of any of our signs. So you have your headlights on, hopefully, you're going to see the sign. And so we're taking that technology that we use for traffic signs and applying it to traffic signals to help us save energy costs.
In addition to energy, the Lighting, Signals, and Signs Department is looking for other ways to make the whole enterprise more sustainable. The city continually evaluates the entire department, looking for ways to manage its resources more efficiently.
As a city, we have been looking at retiming our traffic signals. We're building a smarter system. We're putting more devices out there to detect presence so that you're not sitting waiting at a red light, but that the signal actually knows that you're there and will cycle so that you'll get your turn sooner. We work with the bus company, the fire department to make sure that the signals are meeting their needs so that they're keeping on time or that they're responding to emergencies appropriately. But we're also looking at throughput. We've been able to model most of the major corridors within the city over the last 5 years, and we've been able to reduce the travel times on each of those corridors by synchronizing the offsets, by adjusting the signal length, the time for each of the phases, so that ultimately you are hitting more green lights as you traverse a corridor.
If you want to learn more about the sustainable progress made in the city, you can visit the Grand Rapids Office of Energy and Sustainability website. There you can learn about the current accomplishments and plans for the future to make Grand Rapids even better than it is right now. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/City of Grand Rapids for more videos on sustainability. Now, my name's Adam Burrell, and I hope that you'll stay tuned to see more videos about sustainability in our great city. Thanks for watching.